Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2019 Nissan NV200. It's in a nice grey silver colour. Just taking you around the vehicle now, and we'll just go into the cab. As you can see, there are two cloth lined seats in here, and into the back we do of course have a ply lined bed which comes with cargo rings, so you can tie down any load you may be carrying. It has also got interior lighting and also a mesh bulkhead as well. Just going to take you around to the driver's seat now just to show you some of the conveniences that come inside of this vehicle. Okay, so this is 6 gears and reverse geared. It does come with cruise control, radio, CD, FM auxiliary, which can be found down here, as well as a USB, air conditioning as well, speedometer here as well.